red and the berries like have a more pale color. To juice into this cup and put sugar on it and stir it very well for it to get the taste. Because without the sugar, it kind of tastes sour. You can even put sugar into the pot, stir it, and then separate it with the in a basket. I like it.
I like it too.